Hey, what's up? This is the coconut water check-in. Still gotta live off coconut. So yeah, it's snowing pretty hard out here, and you know it's been cool, but I'm pretty glad I don't have to drive because, funny enough, I lost my keys. So I was trying to beat the storm and get out and get to a job, but I'm wearing this jumpsuit thing. It's got some pockets that just go into the inside of the pants, so I think the key might have fallen out my pockets. Like, yeah, it might have fallen out in the yard, and it's snowing everywhere now, so I can't really find it. I looked a bit, but I'm just glad I don't have to drive because, when I came out here, I had a feeling that if it's icy or snowy, I shouldn't drive. I shouldn't even be out here when it's like that. But I think as long as you just wait until the roads are safe to drive, it's fine. I don't know. I'm still looking for my keys. Once I find them, maybe tomorrow or tonight or when the storm lets up, that's when I'll head out. But now it's fun just playing with the animals. Callie, come on. Come here. Smoky.